Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best shrimp fried rice. Quick, easy, and simple. Let's get into the recipe. To some clean washed shrimp, I will add a little seasoning and some soy sauce. Mix that well to combine and set aside. Here to my wok, I will add some oil and then in with some eggs. I did season it ahead of time with some salt and black pepper. And you're going to scramble this to your desired texture. Once done, remove and set aside. In with some oil again, and we're going to add our shrimp. You're going to cook these for 2 minutes. Once done, remove and set aside. Add some canola oil and some sesame oil, and then in with some aromatics, onions, garlic, and ginger. Give that a good stir, let it go for about a minute. Then we'll come in with some mixed vegetables. Once that is added, we'll add some seasoning for flavor and taste. I will list everything I use in the description or the caption. We will mix that well for about 2 minutes, let it soften up a bit, and then we'll come in with some pre-cooked white rice. Once the rice is added, you want to just toss it well with the vegetables, and then we'll come in with some sauces to give it color, flavor, and taste. Once that is well combined, you want to lastly add your eggs, shrimp, and some fresh scallion. Give it a good toss, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. And when I say this is delicious, that's an understatement. Better than any takeout you could buy out there. Now let's plate up and enjoy. Here you have it, my version of the most delicious shrimp fried rice. Give the recipe a try, let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.